Alright everybody, welcome back. This video is going to be the walls for the garage. Hopefully it'll be quick. So let's just get started with a sketch on the top plane. And we'll just draw a line like that. Okay, let's do some dimensioning here. This is, whoa, I don't want to do that. Okay, this is 46 foot. This is 26 foot. This is 15 foot 4 inches. And then we'll just extrude this. It has to be 8 feet, 10.25 inches. And we want this to be, this is an outside wall, so we want this to be 6 inches. We want it to go inside that line. It looks like it's going inside. That's good. Okay. Now for this other inside wall, I'm actually going to make the... Well, let me edit this material so I can see better. I'm actually going to go from the top of this wall because this other inside wall has to be a little longer, and you'll see why when you go to set it on your foundation there. So this wall is 14 foot 10 inches, and let's see, this inside dimension is going to be 8 foot 5.5 inches. And then we're going to extrude this. We'll go down. We want this to go down 9 foot and 8 5/8 inches, which is 0.625 inches, I think. Let me check real quick. Yes, 0.625. We only want this to be 4.5 inches. So this is going to be an inside wall. Okay, that looks good. Now this is going to hang down below the foundation a little bit. We're going to have to cut out a little notch in here, so I'm going to hide this wall for a minute. Okay, let's go normal onto this. We're going to make a sketch on this wall, and let's see, let's start here. And I don't think this goes above there. Alright, now, let's see, I made myself a little note here. This is 1.25 inches. This dimension here is 1.5. And here to here is 0.75. That's not right. This is 0.75. Alright. That should be fully defined. No, it's not, because this isn't locked in. There we go. Now we'll just cut this out. Here's your little notch, okay? And now we'll make a sketch on this face. I'm going to put in the double overhead garage doors in your service door. Whoops, there we go. I'm going to make these two lines, make them collinear and equal. And I'll make this line and this line with the midpoint of the line equal. And from here to here, this is, no, they don't give us that dimension. From here to here is 11 foot. And move this dude over. Let's dimension these. These are 16 foot, and they're 8 foot tall. Okay, and then from the center of here to the center of here, it's going to be 19 foot. And this door is actually 3 foot 6 inches from the center of the door, from that, and the wall there. And this door is going to be 3 foot and 6 inches. And then we'll alright, then we're going to put a couple of doors in here. These doors are both the same. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to hide this wall again. We'll just go normal onto here. And we'll make a sketch. Let's show the hidden lines. We'll do a corner rectangle. Well, actually, it's not going to matter. Neither one of these doors has a bottom, so no, we are going to need to see those. Yeah, okay. So we're going to do a sketch. And when we dimension this, you want to dimension it from here to this line. 6 foot 6 inches. And they are 3 foot. And we'll draw our center line here and just make it in the center because it doesn't really say the location of the door there. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to cut this up to surface. You want to use this back surface. That'll give us both of our doors there. Okay. And then we just have a window and we're done with this. So let's show that wall again. Just going to do a sketch on this wall here. This window is 5 foot. What is it? 7.625 inches on the top. And this window is 3 foot 6 inches by 4 foot 8 inches. And it is 13 foot 3 inches from the front here to the center. Alright, now I'll just cut this out and that's it. So there's your garage walls. And hope that helps.